Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Enchantress wig from Main Attraction in the color Mahogany. This video is going to be just about Enchantress, so if you want to know more about the Mahogany color, make sure you stay tuned to the CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel where all of our color spotlights will be housed from here on out. Before I do anything else, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Enchantress by Main Attraction looks like on all sides. The front on Enchantress is 10.75 inches and the nape is 11.75. Now let me tell you what I think of this one. She's really pretty. This is a really beautiful cut. The lace front is well done. The monofilament features are also very well done. I'll show you more of those when I take the wig off. The hair is very matte in finish. There's a lot of light going on in here, as you can probably tell by all the shadows behind me. And because it's matte, that means you're gonna have to detangle this one all day long. The same is generally true of all synthetic wigs, but the more matte the finish of the hair is, the more it tends to tangle. John Renault has a similar issue with their hair. They have kind of a matte finish. Same thing with the Estetica and their longer wigs. So as I mentioned, she's got a lace front and it is a beautiful pre-cut translucent hand-tied lace front that leads right into a left-hand monofilament side part. Got a little bit of permatease here on the side opposite the monofilament features. Got open wefts in the side and back areas, and then we also have fuzzy felt here on the extended nape with Velcro adjusters and felt here on the ear tabs. If you snuck a peek of that Henry Margu tag, that is not an accident. So read into that as you will. Beautiful layering at the bottom of this style. Let's see how the nape is vulnerable here. Make sure you cover that with a little bit of glosser or something and kind of use your fingers like I am now to gently detangle. I like this one, but just keep in mind the things that I mentioned earlier. The monofilament features are really beautifully done and it looks really great on. And this line offers a very beautiful selection of colors. So I really like this one. I think it's a good piece. What would you say is a good adjective for this?
What are you going for? Straight, simple, yet elegant.
Oh, that's good. Simple, yet elegant. And this one does that very nicely. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. I make lots of videos about a whole bunch of stuff about wigs, and colors and stuff, so make sure you subscribe to both of our YouTube channels. And check out our wig store if you get a chance. That's how we keep this little project going, so you can help us out by shopping with us. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.